So we did it, we made it, we're here. The sales of this cookbook are now central to maintaining our general running costs at Heart and Parcel for the years ahead. So Cookbook 2, from home to home, a real collaboration from all across our communities.
Heart and Parcel has always been an amazing platform of connection, and the process of cooking helped to bring all women to share their thoughts, skills, abilities, and finally learning from each other. Thank you so much.